Welcome to your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your contact info updated is essential for networking. Let's get started. Open your LinkedIn app or website and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the page. On your profile, click Add Profile section. A drop-down will appear. Choose Contact Info. Now, click the pencil icon next to Contact Info to edit your details. Finally, add your phone number, then hit Save. Your connections can now reach you more easily. Adding your phone number enhances your networking potential. Let your connections reach out with ease. Remember to keep your information updated for the best networking experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful LinkedIn tips. Stay connected and leverage LinkedIn to its full potential every day. Remember, the more you engage, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Good luck, and see you next time for more insights.